Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here in the workshop. So this is going to be the short version of the unboxing of the Clifton 4.5 smoother, or jumbo smoother. I have already done a video, long version, on the unboxing and the sharpening. And I wanted to give you my first impressions. Wow. Amazing. Beautiful tooling. The Clifton planes come from Thomas Flynn. This plane was gifted to me by my son a few years ago, and I've kept it in the box in the heated, dry workshop, waiting for a time or a project that is worthy of it. Or a time to share it with you. So what I'm planing here is just a soft basswood. And as you can see, the plane's like butter. But I also tried it on some northern white ash. And that's too heavy of a cut for hardwood like ash. There we go. More. So my first impressions on the plane is that the machining is excellent. The blade is good and heavy. Chip breaker is fitted perfectly right out of the box. Excuse me. All I had to do was hone it. So what I did is I honed it with the 180 real quick, just to get it so I know what needs to be sharpened. Then I went to the 330, the 300, and then the 1000. And then I polished it on a piece of hard maple with some Tormek honing paste. You could use the green compound or a white compound. This is amazing. Excuse me, I have a tickle in my throat. So, the plane comes in at about 6.5 pounds of weight. Compare that to a number 4 at about 3.25 pounds. So it's twice the weight, 3/8 of an inch wider. So, I don't know about you all, but I'm content with that. Sorry I forgot my microphone. It went dead again. But, yeah, the machining is beautiful. I did not try and attempt to test for flatness. It's small enough I could put it on my granite stone and see. But you see the beautiful brass fittings, brass knob. It does have the bedrock style adjusting, so you would loosen the frog and go in here and move your frog forward. But I don't usually bother. I keep my plane set in one location almost, and I'm going to say almost, 100% of the time. I don't bother moving them. So I don't know what you know about northern white ash, but they have a nickname for it called tough ash, and that's because it's a tough wood. For comparison, this is my number 6 with the Lake Erie powdered metal blade in it. So these two planes weigh just about the same, and this is twice the length. So I'm more than satisfied with the Clifton. Just trying to get this number 6 to, there we go, take a finer cut. So there you have it. If you're interested in a high-end plane, I highly recommend the Clifton. Makes beautiful shavings. If you have the budget for it. Like I said, I would have never bought one of these because I couldn't afford it. But my son got it for me as a gift. And I want to thank Nick for that. So there you go. As always, like, subscribe, and share the video with all your woodworking friends. And head out to your shop. Go make some shavings. Walter out.